Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Ada. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you about alligator pepper. Yes, alligator pepper. So alligator pepper, from the name pepper, is a type of spice, okay? It has a pepperish taste. Okay, so this spice is being underrated, and this spice is popular in Nigeria. The Yorubas call it atare, while the Igbos call it osoji. Okay, so like I said, it's popular in Nigeria and it's being underrated. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you a particular thing it does for men. Okay, a particular thing it does for men. It has numerous health benefits both for men and for women. But I'm going to share in this video just a particular thing it does for men, and this will blow your mind. Like this spice that is being underrated will blow your mind. So if you're a man watching this video, make sure you stick to the end to get the information I'm going to share about alligator pepper. And if you're a wife, also watch it the end, because I know you have a husband, you have a brother, you have a friend. Okay, you could also share this information with. So this is a spicy hot pepper. Okay, it's also used in cooking. You can also use it to cook. Okay, it can also be grinded. It's in seeds, but it can also be grinded. Okay, so like I said, this has numerous health benefits, but I'll be particular about a thing it does for men. One of the things it does for men is that it helps to boost their performance in bed, and which is the dream of every woman. If your man is doing what he's supposed to do well as a man, it makes you happy. Okay, so this spice helps to increase the circulation of blood down to that area, which makes the man perform well and stay longer. Okay, because when a man is doing what's supposed to do well, like I said, as a woman, you'll be happy. So if you've been having low performance as a man, this spice will boost, okay, will boost your performance as a man. Okay, it's also called a natural aphrodisiac. Okay, so it helps to make the whole thing enjoyable. It will help you stay longer and last longer as a man. So this is the particular thing it does for men. Okay, so if you've been having low performance, please consider taking the spice. Another thing I want to talk about is how to take the spice. Okay, you're going to be taking the spice in seeds. You're going to be chewing the seed. Okay, like I said, it can also be grinded, but preferably take it in seeds. When you get the alligator pepper, just take 5 seeds every other day, okay, for 1 month. So if you're having low performance, like you're sure that you're having low performance, you're not staying longer, okay, take 5 seeds every other day. Like take 5 seeds today, then skip um the next day, then you take it after the next day. You're going to do this for like 1 month, and when you do this, you're going to see a remarkable change. Please, if you're an ulcer patient, like you have ulcer, don't take this spice. It's not advisable to be taken by ulcer patient. Okay, so if you have ulcer, please just stay away from the spice because it's hot and peppery. Okay, so that being said, I hope you've gotten the information of what this spice does. This spice is underrated. Like people don't know the power of this spice. Okay, this spice is very potent, like it's very powerful in boosting, men's performance. You've been underrating the spice. Please, as a man, if you've been having low performance as a man, please consider consuming alligator pepper. Okay, and remember I said take this spice 5 seeds, chew 5 seeds, then you skip a day, then you take it the next day. Okay, for 1 month, and you're going to see yourself performing like a horse, which is the dream of every man. Yes, every man wants to do his job and do it well. Okay, so if you are a woman, you are a man, this information will be beneficial to you, because like I said, as a woman you have a husband, you have a brother, you have a friend, and as a man, please share with your fellow friends and families. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.